continue the third part of the work with table. It's talking about the styles. One is for the cell level and also the styles for the table level. Let's go to the contents. So set a style to the cell level is the same as the cell to the paragraph or run. So we already discussed this in the earlier paragraph. For this one, let's just do some the demo altogether. So first, let's make this the cell styles. Let's put that as the first one. Oh, so not. And let's close those old ones. This is untitled. So let me save this here. Okay. Then again, so let's do the analysis for this one. So we put our documents input, and then we create, starting for this the standard 3 sentence, and the doc.save. Let's create this 707 with 1. So that is our current file. And let's save. And we create this one, so that's good. Then we will have the length of unit. Doc.cx shared. Oh, not this. It's the text import this alignment. So you see here paragraph alignment. We still use the paragraph alignment. And this is the color RGB, red, green, blue color. Just pay attention to the this kind of the case, and input pound is the unit of length. Then we have our document initialed. We add a table, doc add table 3 row 2 column, and we put cell selected. This sentence now you may consider is that's all quite like is our worksheet, active sheet in Excel. So you need to point which cell you are referring to now, and then we have table, we have cell, then we will use paragraph equal to cell, the first paragraph within this cell. That's first. And we define this paragraph, then we can have this paragraph, the property, the text, we give office. So let's see here, so we can start to view this one. You can see here. Let's make sure here is in the third row, but in the first column. So let's see here. So what is our? We're putting the 20, 012. So 20 is this one. So let's make that in the middle. So let's use this 10. And then we have our text already put, and we'll start to add run. So run is equal to paragraph dot add run. So we can put that in the Chinese is mat. That is this name of the book. So we can start to set, because we have this run, then we have this run's property we can control, font, color, RGB. So when we set this color RGB, then we can use this RGB colors from string. We use this FF0000. So that means the red, the purely red. Then let's run first. You need to close the word every time. So you can see here this this run is different to this run. So this is the second run, so it's covered by your variable. So we set this as the variable, and then we can start to add further. So paragraph dot add run, add Python, and we have this paragraph. We set on the paragraph level, style, font, size equal to pound. Let's make that bigger, 40, so that you can see the significant font size. So let's see here, should be a very big. You can see here. So that means our font is take effective. And then we used our alignment, paragraph dot paragraph format with underscore and alignment equal WD alignment with center. So I put that in 20. So just let's make that even smaller, so that you can see the middle alignment effect. So let's see here. Oh, not this one. So it's this. You can see here, if I make this borders visible, so you can see it's actually aligned in the middle. So that is the basic the styles which we set on the paragraph and the run and applied in the cell. And we only see the horizontal alignment, but within the cell we also have our the vertical alignment. So that is not able to set on this paragraph level, but let's see from the second one. We test on that. So this is the second one, and we see from the 2. So let's see what we can have still. So alignment is still there, and this we import shared. We don't need the color for this sample, so we just load the length. And the same is we have this add, and all those we will let's see. So cell, let's clear that and to create our file. So this is 7.4. So we have our table. So we first set the number 3 rows height. So table dot rows. So now you can see the author node he's mentioned the third one. So let's put the second one still. So that we are putting the middle part CM3. So let's run and to have a look. You already see this difference. So the middle, this row has a very big the height. So we will test on the vertical alignment. Then you will see that in very typical the V clearly. So then let's give our cell. So we select a cell in this 10 table dot cell 10. So we come to our cell. Then I got the text. So is Office 遇上了台松. So then we have this alignment. So paragraph. So let's ensure I have the typo correct. Cell paragraph 0. So then paragraph underscore format dot alignment equal to WD. This one. So alignment first. This one is the center. So let's test what we have now. You can see is the horizontal one is already in the middle, but the vertical one is by default is on top. So let's do this. So it's not the paragraph, it's on the cell level. Cell vertical alignment equal to, we can also use this WD, they share those methods center. So now let's have a look. Yeah, you can feel that. Oh, no, not change. Let me see. So not change. Let's have a look. Vertical cell. This is our cell and vertical align. Ah, here I have our typo, but there's no arrow, so that's so strange. Oh, but it's interesting. Now you can see. So if I put this border, it's clearly now this whole paragraph is both horizontal and vertical aligned in the center. So that is the alignment on the, and also we test on the color and in the earlier. So we also see you can set the text, you can set the size. So those are the normal the styles that you can set. And then this we select a cell, then we can specifically set the style to this cell. But for the whole border, whole these tables, how we can do that is for the style setting. We will use this 7, 10, 8 to do that. Verify. So 7, 10, 8 table style. Let's also use 1. So if we have multiple code needed, so let's close this. Let's also close this, and we start from the scratch. So on the table level, so we may try. I want to see is how I can set the tables the border. So if possible, so because every time I have to done this in Excel, in Word manually. So first, let's ensure you have your 3 lines. Now this is a 7, 10, 8, 1 doc x. So run this to create your dummy file. Then we need another the shared with this lines. So docs x shared import, we use the centimeter and the inches. So this if you love any other the units, you can use yourself. So we create our table through doc add table with 3 row 2 column. Then we have our table dot. This is first part is I think it's auto fit. There's no space in the middle. Let's see here auto fit whether it's running. Okay, that's correct. And then the table row first row, so through the 0 dot height. So you can use this one, select one, identify one row or column, then you can set the height for row and width for column. So let's set this 1 point, that's too small, so let's set 3. And then we set this table column, maybe set the middle column, width is equal to cm4. So let's save. Oh, sorry, I got error message. So table row height table object has no attribute row, so that is rows columns. So you need to use this the plural. So now it's working. So let's open. You can see I set the first row and the second column. So let's see this table property. So column is 762. This row is correct, but the column is not. So let me double check is the column code. I said the column is sent 4 columns WDTH COM. That should be correct. Let's make that smaller. Columns 1 with. Maybe it's not finished saving completely. It's strange. It's not changed. Oh, we put this auto fit to false. So this one, table. If I comment this, run. See here. Is no change. Looks like the column setting is not work. And what I have checked is this is the Python doc. Read the doc.io is document. I checked this auto fit. Looks like this one is not directly say table.autofit. It's table.allow auto fit. Let's see the book. So this one is possible, has some interesting. So let's set this auto fit. Let me see, because we want to prevent the auto fit, then it's not extend to the whole width. But here looks like it's still not working. Allow auto fit is false. Table. So let me see table.allow auto fit. Let me print here. Table has no this attribute. So let's see whether attribute is just auto. Oh, it's auto fit. So this document is also auto fit. I'm not sure. So So now I can print this again, just to ensure it's I correctly put that in false. So, but the strange thing is on this export is the tables column is still not changed to this smaller one, because that's still the extended. So let me put this to 0 to see whether it's changed. The setting is correct. No, so this one has some questions. So table columns. If I want to set columns WIDV to CM, this one is not working. So let me see. This one is not working. So let's continue. So if I want to set the multiple the rows and lines, well, we can use this traverse definitely. So I don't take time. So you can try this one. So if this is working, then you can set all that others. So maybe we just add here for row in table dot rows, and we will have this one. So just row dot height is 3. So let's try to see. Now my 3 rows should all come to the very big height. So you can see that's correct, but the column is still question. So let's see the other the table styles. So if we transfer some the table styles when we add table, then you can get this the table styles directly. So for example here, if I put this style equal to table grid, so that is depending on the those table names, style names. You need to check from. Yeah, you can see here is directly have this border, so table and grid. Then that is the style. And also, if we want to change that to other table style, we just need to use this table dot style equal to like this color for grid send 1. So let's have this effect. You can see here. So that is the different color styles. So let's change this. We only use this one sample, so we don't need multiple. Oh. Okay. We will create our 7, 8. And this one is unnecessary, just for simpler. And then this one is if we want to check the old styles, we can use this one. So I call that is as another one is the name. So 7, 10, 8 list table styles. So from docx import document, and from docx share email dot styles import wd Word document. Yeah, you can see the last one, styles type, and we will create our document, and the styles equal to doc styles. You need to first have for instance, then you get this table styles equal to s for s in styles if s dot type same to wd style type dot table. Then for style in styles table styles, just print this out. Style, we need to print the name. So let's see how many. What's the arrow? So as for as in styles, if I so here for typo, and then what's the next typo? Style as type, not the style. So now you get this. Hope it's a huge list. So we use this table. I think it's colorful grid. Colorful grid. You can use a medium list. So all those are the dark list. So the different type of the tables name. So by the very simple one is table grid or normal table. Normal table is you don't have that the borders. So when you have all those, then you can use this name inside here. So in this part, so you can set, now is I put this colorful grid accent. So if you want to change this to dark list accent, so let's just change this here. And when I run, I should get another style. Yeah, you can see. So those are controlled by you through this 7.10.8 list table style you can get from the source code. So those are the tables. I hope in the last 3 videos we have let you have more familiar on tables in the Word document. And the next chapter, subchapter will be the last one for handle the page setup. So after this, we will finish the Word and we can move to the PowerPoint. So see you in the next video.